out with the new Doctor Who?
I did. All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the South Park Bundle Box unboxing. This is from 2009. What the hell? In Culture Fly. I thought it was earlier, or later. Whatever. All right, so here we go. Let's look into it.
Exciting changes are coming this season to the Good
There it goes, right there. All right. The first thing is a South Park. What is this? Let's see here. First thing is something that won't open. A South Park spoon. That's cool. That's awesome. And the next one, South Park vinyl decal. Randy, it's a sticker. There we go. And the next thing is a South Park hat. That's cool. And this one, what in the world is this? Acrylic LED light of Towelly.
Don't forget to bring a towel.
That's cool. That's awesome. Remove plastic film before use.
Two vets came in the other day, both unhoused, an old guy and a kid. Two different wars, both homeless.
What the hell are they talking
How
about?
are we not
Yeah,
taking
whatever.
care of you? Huh?
Must be this.
I'm trying to get some
And the next thing
government sites. God.
is a South Park bowl.
Where they're living now? Why don't you lose them?
Cool.
At the turn off of 11th, right by the park there.
Good.
All right. This.
It's one of the safer entertainments.
What's the light? Cool.
Back to GMA3, that was a clip from the 7th and final season of Station 19.
And with us now to talk about the end of
Cool.
the era is actor and director Boris Kojo.
And the next thing, these things don't eat them.
Both in front of and behind.
Tapes tray. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna see.
Because of that. We do our research.
Wow, yes, they call me the Germinator. The Germinator. Not because of germs, but because I'm...
Oh, it's a banner.
Just want to clarify that. Yeah, so I had
Cool.
I had my strategy.
And the next thing
I was very prepared.
is South Park socks.
Ideas, and I knew what I needed for the cut, and so I kind of
It's
moved.
Butters. Yeah.
Yes,
All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You know what time I upload. Love you guys. See you in the next video.